Hello everyone, this is Team Lightning Dreams presenting before you the USA and Paris Climate Agreement in detail. The US officially rejoined the Paris Climate Accord on 19 February 2021, about 1 month after President Joe Biden signed more than a dozen executive orders on his first day in office, including to rejoin the Global Pact. US formally left the Paris Climate Agreement on 4th November 2020, 3 years after President Donald Trump announced his intention to undo what had been seen as a key achievement of his predecessor Barack Obama. What is this Paris Agreement? In December 2015, 195 countries signed an agreement which came into force in November 2016 within the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, dealing with greenhouse gas emissions, mitigation, adaptation, and finance. The agreement replaced the Kyoto Protocol introduced in 1997 and enforced in 2005. The objective of the Paris Agreement was to slow the process of global warming by limiting a global temperature rise this century well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels and to pursue efforts to limit the temperature increase even further to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Another crucial point in this agreement was attaining net zero emissions between 2050 and 2100. Nations have pledged to achieve a balance between anthropogenic emissions by sources and removals by sinks of greenhouse gases in the second half of this century. Developed countries were also told to provide financial resources to help developing countries in dealing with climate change and for adaptation measures. So why did the US leave the Paris Agreement? USA has left under Article 28 of the Paris Agreement. During his 2016 presidential campaign, Donald Trump had described the Paris Agreement as unfair to US interests and had promised to pull out of the agreement if elected. So in June 2017, months after his inauguration, Trump announced his government's decision to quit the accord. The US could not immediately exit the Paris Agreement. However, as United Nations rule permitted a country to apply for leaving 3 years after the accord came into force, that is November 4, 2019, the US formally applied to leave on that day and the departure automatically came into effect on November 4, 2020 at the end of a mandatory year-long waiting period. What were the criticisms of US withdrawal from Paris Accord? The step is against the principle of common responsibility. The greenhouse gases emissions done is past puts a moral obligation on US to take strict measures to cut it down in future. The step taken by US may result into domino effect, with other nations too withdrawing from the deal. This would bring to standstill one of the most comprehensive deal for climate change. It also provides China an opportunity to show environmental leadership, especially with its climate commitments made under UN General Assembly in September 2020. While US is out of Paris deal, many of the US states and companies still consider themselves party to the deal. India and climate emission. Despite the accelerated economic growth of recent decades, India's annual emissions at 0.5 tons per capita are well below the global average of 1.3 tons. China's total carbon dioxide emission is 29.51% of the world and per capita emission is 7.7, whereas USA's total carbon dioxide emission is 14.34% of the world and per capita emission is 16.1. In terms of cumulative emissions, India's contribution by 2017 was only 4% for a population of 1.3 billion, whereas the European Union, with a population of only 448 million, was responsible for 20%. India is one of the few countries which is currently on track to fulfilling their Paris Agreement commitments. Thank you everyone. This was Team Lightning Dreams.